Okay, welcome to my video, and today we're going to be talking about my Photon Fusion Reactor. Now, before I begin, I want to note that the idea is so beyond anything I've ever come up with, and it is very theoretical that the only way to disprove it would be to build it and test it out. Okay, as you probably have been told before, the whole universe in the beginning was about the size of a pinhead. That means me, you, the Earth, the galaxy, everything was crammed into one point about the size of a pinhead. And it exploded, in which we call the Big Bang. It's at that very instant when it exploded, it was 1/100th of a second, and at the temperature of 1 billion Kelvin, where the universe was in particle equilibrium. And particle equilibrium deals with particle pair production, which means when you have two high gamma photon rays colliding, they create a positron and an electron, and they collide again and create two more high gamma photon rays. So and then it goes on, and they collide with each other, and it's called the equilibrium effect. And you're probably asking, what does this have to do with a reactor? This is where my Photon Fusion Reactor comes into play. It would look something like about a giant metal ball about the size of a football stadium, give or take. But it would take lots and lots of money to build this thing. I mean, more money that's on this planet, so that to even build it, you would have to have unlimited funds, and then it's practically impossible. But on the inside is where the fun begins. And you pump in the high energy gamma rays, so the particle equilibrium, will begin to take place. And to keep the ball of energy, of light and matter and all the other goodies in there inside, keep from touching the inside wall, you'd probably have to suspend it in a anti-gravity field, which will be generated from a UFO engine, the same thing they use in the engine. You can watch my other video. I'll talk all about how that works. We'd have to build a giant coil, a rotating coil the giant ball sits on, and the rotating coil will create a anti-gravity field around it, suspending the energy inside of it, and keep it from touching the inside wall. And the ball would be made of quasi-crystals, which is 12 times harder than diamonds, so if anything else went wrong, that's your backup plan. But if anything went wrong, like exploded or meltdown, you probably have to say goodbye to Mother Earth. Well, at least that's what I think would happen. Something very, very bad. So you don't want it to break down. And finally, you would have to power the whole thing with a long tether reaching to the sky to absorb the electromagnetic energy in the atmosphere. And then in theory, only one of these reactors would be enough to power not only the United States, but to power the whole planet forever. If you want to know more, just contact me, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and please don't try to steal my ideas or anything, because one day I'm going to try to build this thing. I don't know how, but thanks for watching my video, and I hope you liked it, and please comment and subscribe to my videos, and let's keep in touch. I got lots more theoretical inventions I'm going to talk about in the future, so I really hope you enjoyed it, and I'll talk to you later. Bye bye.